Hey everyone, welcome back to Shib Kai. In this video, we'll talk about what Amazon did with Shiba Inu coin to help it reach $1 this year. The Shiba Inu community has stayed positive and continued to build out the Shiba Inu ecosystem, which is working on a number of projects such as Shivarium, a Layer 2 network, Ship the Metaverse, a highly anticipated metaverse, and several blockchain-based games. Today we have Shib news. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, share, and subscribe to the channel to see our newest videos. Without further ado, let's start the video. Members of the Shiba Inu community previously opened Welly, a burger joint that accepts Shib and is run by the DAO. Earlier this year, the Turkish government also announced plans to work with the memecoin ecosystem. These moves are expected to make the Shib token less of a joke and more of a real thing, which will give its price a huge boost. Shib is now worth 0.93, which is 4.3% more than it was 24 hours ago. Civilization, the first autonomous investment fund in the world DIFF, is going to add new liquidity pools for Shiba Inu ecosystem tokens like SHIB, BONE, and Leech to its CIF Farm DeFi platform. In a blog post, the protocol said that the three pools, which are called the SHIB1 LP staking pool, the BONE 1 LP staking pool, and the Leash 1 LP staking pool, will be called Ryoshi tribute pools as a whole. It's time to start the first session of DAO pools on SIF Farm with some new pools. The community in recent weeks has expressed long interest in an initiative called Ryoshi Tribute. It added that a proposal had been put up for the community to vote on whether to add the pools on its governance platform SafeMoon DAO. All community members who are holders of its ecosystem rewards token stone can take part in the voting process, which will last until November 27th. The proposal has received 13 votes, which all have been in support of adding the pools. Once voting is completed, the pools will be available on CIF Farm for 60 days from the day of their activation. Civilization has been gaining more ground in driving the adoption of SHIB. The protocol launched exactly 1 year after the creation of Shiba Inu and claims to have been inspired by the works of the pseudonymous creator of SHIB, Kusama Ryoshi, and the Shiba community. Civilization has the vision of making investments accessible to everyone through its CIV Community Investment Vehicle token, which has also been listed on new CFI and DY exchanges. The latest optimistic move by humanity is just the beginning. There's been a lot of progress in the Shiba Inu ecosystem lately. This week, the community welcomed a huge relationship with Amazon, which will see the e-commerce giant start a drive to help burn Shib tokens. Ryoshi said in a tweet that the World Economic Forum might be interested in the Shiba Inu environment and is thinking about working with the memecoin to help make rules for the metaverse. These initiatives could soon see the price of Shib break out of bearish trading to reach new highs. According to the latest price data, the memecoin is changing hands at around 0.89, down 1.12% in the last 24 hours. This current price represents a 89.8% drawdown from the Shib all-time high price of 0.000087 in October 2021. Despite being new to the market, memecoins have emerged as one of the industry's most popular crypto assets, with Shiba Inu leading the way. The dogecoin rival has become one of the most sensational assets making waves in the crypto space. Strategic partnerships and collaborations are at the core of the Shib network's continued growth and development, when most virtual currencies find it challenging to stay afloat amid the broader crypto market turmoil. Shiba Inu has made a huge deal. According to a recent announcement, Bete, a company that provides crypto payment solutions, has teamed up with Atheist Shoes, a company that makes shoes, to accept Shiba Inu as payment. Customers who want to pay with the K9 token can get a 10% discount for a limited time. Memecoin is also slowly becoming a useful cryptocurrency that tourists can use, since most platforms have started to make it easier to use the token on their payment networks. Because of its usefulness, Shiba Inu has become one of the most popular coins. Binance made it more well known by adding it to the Binance card, which lets Visa users spend Shib at nearly 60 million stores around the world. Meanwhile, its main competitor Dogecoin continues to fall behind. Shiba Inu has a better chance of becoming the most popular joke token because its community, which grew as an alternative to Doge, backs it more. Several companies already accept SHIB as payment on Bitcoin, making it one of the most popular meme tokens for transactions. The new partnership is another important step for the top meme cryptocurrency, which wants to solidify its place as the best over Whale Stats. A platform that tracks whales says that the top 2,000 ETH whale holdings include a number of crypto tokens, with SHIB being the most valuable. The ETH whales are said to hold over $68 million worth of the meme cryptocurrency, with UNI coming in second with over $43.5 million and BS tokens coming in third. Also, a look at the top 100 ETH whales shows that SHIB is the fourth most held cryptocurrency token. These top 100 ETH whales currently own 74,299,481,235 SHIB tokens, which are worth $690,838. Even so, the number of whale addresses holding SHIB is growing, and recent activity shows that the token has potential for large ETH whales. The market volatility can't stop whales from holding more of the meme asset. The crypto market price is mostly affected by speculation, two incidents involving partnerships, and whales' recent activity. As a result, SHIB's price may rise as a result of these two recent events in the ecosystem. Shiba Inu trades at $0 and 9,399 cents, down 2.7% in the last 24 hours. Many investors think that Shiba Inu isn't a utility token, but the debate is still going on. Our review team found that SHIB's most powerful tool is its marketing. The coin went through an epic bull run in October 2021, when most altcoins were consolidating. The reason for this was that it used the hype that dogecoin made during the memecoin era to market itself as a better option. After dogecoin reached its peak, investors looked for another memecoin, and Shib was in the right place at the right time. Even before it took off in 2021, many investors didn't think it would be useful, but they bought the token because they thought it would be valuable, which caused a big rise in demand. Shiba Inu has a lot of promise when it combines good market sentiment with effective marketing methods. Shiba Inu has recorded an increase in the token burn, touching 134 million SHIB burned in the week. Shiba Inu has increased its token burn rate, recording 223,264,370 SHIB tokens burned in the last 7 days. This is a marked increase in burning speed, considering that the previous week only 106,780,540 SHIB were burned and 29 transactions were made. This means that the current weekly figure represents a nearly 100% increase in tokens burned in this time frame. Usually the burning rate experienced by Shiba Inu could affect the price of SHIB, which appears to have had a pump this past week. In fact, last Tuesday, SHIB was worth $0.8244. At the time of writing, SHIB is worth $0.9106, even touching in the week the price of 0.99595, nothing like the previous week, where in addition to the lower burning, it appears that SHIB's price would also lose altitude on the 15th of November. SHIB was worth around 0.9167 to find itself precisely at a lower value on the 22nd of November. However, from a monthly perspective, SHIB is still in a bearish trend, as October closed at 0.12. That's a wrap for today. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel to see our latest content.